Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're making the ultimate Chicken Avocado Club Sandwich. Let's get started. Alright, first things first, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need grilled chicken breast, ripe avocados, crispy bacon, fresh lettuce, juicy tomatoes, your favorite bread. Now, the secret to a truly extraordinary Chicken Avocado Club is the layering. So, let's do it right. Start with a generous layer of avocado on one slice of toasted bread. This will give our sandwich that creamy goodness we crave. Next up, our succulent grilled chicken breast. Lay it gently on top of the avocado, and oh boy, the combination of flavors is already making my taste buds dance with excitement. Now, it's time for that crispy bacon. Go ahead and add it right on top of the chicken. A few crunchy lettuce leaves add the extra texture to our sandwich. And of course, some juicy tomato slices for that burst of color and natural sweetness. To finish it off, add the other slice of toasted bread on top, and gently press it all together. There you have it, the mouth-watering Chicken Avocado Club, a delicious and flavorful twist on a classic favorite. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how you liked it. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more scrumptious recipes like this. Thanks for joining me today.